Your SOC team currently relies on manual communication with a system administrator to update firewall configurations. You have successfully integrated the firewall management tool with Google Security Operations, or SecOps, SOAR. You want to streamline this by allowing analysts to initiate these updates through SOAR while ensuring the administrator must manually authorize every change before it is applied. What is the most effective way to design this automated workflow?
A professional IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Option A, create an email template for the analyst to solicit approval for the firewall modification from the administrator. Once approved, perform the change manually from an open ticket. Option B, provide the administrator with an account in your SecOps environment so they can manually execute the changes. Use an escalation process to notify them when an analyst assigns a case.
Option C, develop a playbook with a manual pause where the analyst updates the firewall rule as a pending task. Instruct the analyst to email the administrator for approval, then resume the playbook. Option D, design a playbook in SOAR that includes an approval step requiring administrator sign-off before proceeding. The playbook should be triggered by a request form that collects the specific firewall parameters to be modified. This scenario focuses on the orchestration capabilities within security operations. Specifically, it tests how to balance automation with mandatory human oversight. When we integrate different systems into a SOAR platform, the goal is often to remove manual, error-prone steps while keeping necessary controls intact. The challenge here is finding a design that keeps the approval process inside the workflow tool itself, rather than branching out to external, less trackable communication channels. In my view, the correct answer is option D. This choice is the most effective because it utilizes the native capabilities of Google Security Operations SOAR playbooks. By including a dedicated approval step directly within the playbook, you can pause the automated workflow safely. This allows the system to notify the administrator through the platform and wait for their input before proceeding with the execution. It ensures that the approval is recorded, creating a comprehensive audit trail within your primary security tool. All right, options A, B, and C are incorrect because they rely on out-of-band processes, such as email chains or requiring administrators to manage tasks outside the central dashboard. These approaches create visibility gaps and bypass the very automation benefits that SOAR provides. For your exam, always look for solutions that keep the workflow centralized and automated. If an option involves manual intervention outside the primary security platform, it is likely not the optimal answer for a SOAR-based question.